Namaste, my dear friends. Ram Janam Bhoomi Trust shares pictures of floor inlay work at Ram Temple in Ayodhya. Floor inlay work under process in Sri Ram Janam Bhoomi Mandir, the Ram Temple Trust said in a post on X, sharing some photos of the ongoing work. Ahead of the inauguration scheduled for January 22, the ongoing floor inlay work at the Ram Temple in Ayodhya has been showcased by the Sri Ram Janam Bhoomi Tirth Akshetra. Recently, the trust shared glimpses of this intricate work, highlighting the progress in a post on social media platform X. In continuation of the updates, the trust had previously shared images in October showcasing the detailed carvings within the premises of the Sri Ram Janam Bhoomi Mandir in Ayodhya. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely and set to grace the inauguration ceremony of the Ram Temple on January 22, 2024. Representatives from the Sri Ram Janam Bhoomi Tirtha Kshetra along with religious leaders formally extended an invitation to the Prime Minister. The Ram Mandir Trust shares stunning photos of the sanctorum where the idol of Ram Lalla would be installed. The construction of the Ram Temple has been moving along steadily under the direction of the Ayodhya Trust. The General Secretary of the Sri Ram Janam Bhoomi Tirth Akshetra Trust, Champat Rai, released splendid images of the temple's sanctuary sanctorum on 9th December ahead of the consecration ceremony of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya on 22nd January 2024 between noon and 12:45 p.m. He stated the sanctorum of Lord Sri Ramlalla is almost ready. Recently, the lighting fitting work has also been completed. Sharing some photographs with you. चंपत राय अपने एक्स में लिखते हैं, प्रभु श्री रामलला का गर्भ स्थान लगभग तैयार है। हाल ही में लाइटिंग फिटिंग का कार्य भी पूर्ण कर लिया गया है। आपके साथ कुछ छाया चित्र साझा कर रहा हूँ। दिस प्रोवाइडेड ए परव्यू ऑफ द एक्सक्विजिट sanctorum of the temple where the deity would be placed to excitedly awaiting devotees of the much anticipated temple. The trust earlier on 8th December released photographs of the under construction Ram Janam Bhoomi temple's current status. Notably, 3 different artists are making 3 different idols of Ramlala, and the best among them will be selected before the consecration on 22 January. The 3 idols are currently getting finishing touches discreetly away from public view. One is being meticulously sculpted from the white marble of Makarana, Rajasthan, while the other 2 are taking form from stones sourced in Karnataka. Earlier, a stone was brought from Nepal, and later stones were also brought from Odisha and Maharashtra to carve the idol, but those were found not suitable to make the idol. Champat Rai previously stated that the idols are receiving final touches and are currently 90% completed. At Ram Janam Bhoomi Temple, A 4 feet 3 inch idol depicting the 5-year-old child form of Lord Rama is being constructed at 3 locations in Ayodhya. 3 artisans are building the idol on 3 different pieces of stone, and one of the idols will be accepted by the Lord. These idols are 90% ready and the finishing work will take about a week to be done. The idol will be installed in Garbhagriha Sanctorum on the ground floor. The ground floor of the temple is almost ready, so there will be no problem with the Pran Pratishtha consecration ceremony. In its meeting slated for this month, the Trust will choose the most captivating and resilient among the 3 idols to be installed in the sanctorum of the Ram Mandir. The remaining 2 idols will also find their places within the temple, albeit in the different locations. The idol depicts the deity's child form. As per Champat Rai, the General Secretary of the Temple Trust, the decision to choose a 51-inch idol from the 3 was made by all 15 members of the trust during a meeting chaired by Trust Chief Mahant Nirtay Gopal Das on October 7-8. An 86-year-old Lakshmikant Mathuranath Dixit Vedic scholar is due to take the helm over the consecration ritual of the Ram Lala idol at the Ram temple in Ayodhya. He is descended from the renowned Kasi scholar Ganga Bhatt of the 17th century, who oversaw the coronation of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj approximately 356 years ago in 1674. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is said to be present at the opening of the Ram temple. Furthermore, notable individuals like industrialist Mukesh Ambani, Gautam Adani and Ratan Tata, cricketers Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli, and Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan, among other actors, are invited to the consecration ceremony. Thank you for watching this video. Namaskar, my dear friends. Thank you.